Hey there! In this video, let us see how to initiate or receive voice calls from CRM. For that, let's first integrate CRM with the Aircall. Now, let's click on Settings and navigate to Integration. Click on Voice Calls and integrate Aircall. Add your number to Aircall and click Confirm. You can see here the number has been successfully added. And your integration will be instantly activated. Now, let's see how to make a call from CRM. Here, you can click on the icon to initiate a call through Aircall. As soon as you click, the caller insight card opens up and provides you with the necessary details. While having a conversation with the clients, you can add relevant tags to the conversations. Assign the conversation to any of your teammates. By clicking this, your teammates list will open and you can either add them to the call or call them separately. By clicking Transfer, you can even transfer the call to your teammate instantly. You can even note down the call summary by clicking on Notes. All these call assets will be associated with the caller automatically. To view the call log, open your lead detail page and you can see the call details. Here all the details related to call such as subject and description can be seen. You can even access call tags and recordings from here. Now, let's see how to receive a call from within the CRM. As soon as you get a call, the caller insight card opens up. You can see the details about the caller. After you receive the call, you can add the notes, tags, assign the call, transfer the call, or even add other teammates to the call. After the call, the details will be automatically associated with caller details. If you would like to see all the calls and the associated details, you can navigate to the activity stream. Here all the details will be logged. Additionally, the calling activity will also be synced with the CRM in real time and you can view it in CRM dashboard. Streamline your communication with this feature and stay tuned for other feature updates. Thank you.